blush exploded. So I wanted to show you all how easy it is to clean out your OTG bags. As you can see, this is really messy. It's chunky and it's all over the inside of the bag. So what you do is you literally can hose it out, rinse it out. I like to get all the chunks out first. And then I just take a tidbit of dish soap. Use a little bit of pressure to make sure you get all the chunks and get it into seams and things like that. And this really works for sand, sunscreen, makeup, kids have a mishap, snacks, whatever it may be. And that's the great thing about these bags is not only are they cute enough that you can throw them under your arm and go for cocktails, but you can also hose them out. The majority of cosmetic bags, unfortunately, are cloth inside. So you have one explosion and you have ruined the bag. Not to mention, if this was actually in your handbag, you would have ruined the handbag. So you just take a little bit of paper towel. You want to get as much of the moisture out as you possibly can. You don't want to have mold or anything gross, so you really want to get them really dry. This wipes out, so it's perfectly clean and ready to go for your next trip. Give it one more little wipe out. And then to take that extra step to get it really dry, I put out a dish towel, and I take an old vase and I actually hang it over this so that it can dry, so that it's really dry and ready to go for your next adventure. That's how you clean your OTG bags, and hope you guys have a great day.